We are back with John. Let's talk about the importance of the record brush.
What I tell people, and I give this speech often, and I always say young or old. I don't want to make it sound like it's just young people that need to be taught this. It's everybody needs to realize this. You get a carbon fiber brush and you keep that close to the turntable, and you keep that within reaching distance. You put a record on and you clean every side, and you make that a habit. And if you do that, the record will be clean. It's going to sound better. Your needle will be clean. It's going to sound better. It's going to last longer. So it's just this whole cycle of simple things you can do to get maximum, sound out of your vinyl. Yeah. If you're re-sleeving dirty records that are dusty, that's like sandpaper in that sleeve, and that sort of creates a lot of micro scratches that we hear, as ticks and pops later on down the road.
There are a variety of brushes. What is your recommendation?
My recommendation is the carbon fiber brush. That's the one that I was talking about earlier, where you keep it close to your turntable. It has a little device to brush existing dust off it. There's a method for using it to clean a side perfectly, and it's a good habit to get into. It's a ritual, I call it, And if you're going to buy one of those carbon brushes, a really good thing to have with that, it's almost a partner piece, is a stylus brush. You keep your stylus clean, you keep your side of the record clean. It's going to sound way better, and it's going to last a lot longer. If you're handling a record properly, if you're cleaning it regularly, you're 99% of the way there to perfect record maintenance.
Thank you, John. In our next episode, John is going to show us how to use those brushes.